prison away from bars. No time flat, see I scrape the score. Take what's up. My skills are titanium, straight to the crib. You could go to war. I speak rap, as long as the beat fat, my shit'll be off the beat rap. Lord finesse, don't harass the guards. Before bars, face on like half the squad. So the speaking is slaughter faggots. Niggas playing street, yo, I'm top the rank. Words when I get the dice, stop the bank. Bet against me, yo, you get your cash. Look at my street team, promote nothing but athletes. Street team, promote nothing but athletes. How can you win in this world so cruel? When you learn the game, exchange the rules. You gotta keep cool, get down and make moves. Sean Cool in the stand of assholes. Money makes the world go round, so be it. I've been broke before, ain't trying to repeat it. If your plan ain't talking about grams, I don't need it. This ain't done, friend, can't sit.
A rap battle I can't begin, cause I'll flip it the bastards like a gymnastic champion. I entertain well, amateur trying to examine the lyrics, examine the passion.
Learn the game, niggas change the rules. Been broke before, ain't trying to repeat it. If your plan ain't talking about grams, I don't need it. Bitch, ain't picture and cream, can't sit.
A rap battle I can't begin, cause I'll flip it the bastards like a gymnastic champion. I entertain well, amateur stamina, trying to examine the lyrics, examine the passion. Yeah, I put it, the gas trigger on fake black niggas and whack niggas making bullshit. That niggas gotta quit popping a lot of shit. I'm not a bitten presence to raps, it's not back to it. Goes with a gas when they trying to smash me. He won't last when me using the full capacity. Rhymes that kick off, feel like a Uber. With a hot top, I glide with a independent. Take a note or two, when your shit flop and you get dropped by the hip hop's portable. Catch the flow like this, and go like this. So whackness can flow like this, so go like this. Y'all ain't with it, think you can beat it, just take a hit, I break the shit and make it good.